I chose to study music performance at Huddersfield because I wanted to expand on my performance skills as a singer-songwriter. And one of the main reasons was because I would get one-to-one tuition every week with a singing teacher. My songwriting has definitely developed a lot purely through the help of my songwriting lecturer. She also pushes me to kind of write in a different way and has taught me some really valuable lessons that I now take forward in all my writing. One of the highlights of being at Huddersfield has been to be able to see my song ideas develop from the initial stages of writing at home when I'm with the piano or the guitar, and the song's just in its pure raw form. Then I bring it to uni, workshop it a bit more with different people, and then take it through the studio, and then I'm able to perform songs live with a band. To be able to see that whole journey is just amazing.